Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we'll be talking about the Boxycharm. If you don't know what this is a monthly subscription box. It comes with basically anything related to the beauty world. You pay $25 a month and I honestly love it so much. Like, I've had this subscription for over 2 years now. So yeah, I have the Boxy Look subscription that every 3 months they send you a bigger box. But they also have the premium one that I think it's too expensive. I don't think it's worth it, but some people actually love it. And you receive the bigger box every single month. But I love this one, and let's go ahead and see what came inside this month's box. Okay, so the first 3 items are these brushes that I'm super excited because they actually match the color of my vanity right now. So I'm probably gonna leave them here outside. So they're super cute. The texture is amazing. So I love how it says for what each of them are for. This one is a brightening brush, a complexion brush, and a bronzer brush. This one. They're super soft. So let's see how much they're actually worth. Okay, so this one's, I just checked their website. It's from Alamar and they are worth $36. So only these 3 brushes alone are worth more than the box itself. So this is a very good deal. The next thing we have is this Hourglass Flash Highlighting Stick. Let's see how it is. Bronze Flash is the color. Wow, look how pretty it is. I don't know if you can see. Super pretty. Wow, it looks like lipstick. I love the color, I have to say. It looks very good. Let's see the texture. So this is the color and it glows a lot, so I really like it. It's a little bit too dark for me, I think, but I like it. Let's see how much it is worth it. Okay, so this one is worth $42 at Sephora. So, oh my god, it's actually very expensive. And so we're talking about a $42 highlighter coming in a box that's only $25 a month. So it's amazing, I love it. Okay, next one is this English Laundry. I think it's a perfume. Let's see. Okay, so this is a perfume and it is worth $16. So it's not the most expensive one, but it is. I really like the smell. I was gonna show it to you guys when you smell it. I really like the smell. It smells like fresh clothes. I don't know, that's what I think. Really like it. Let's see the next one. Okay, so now we have some nail polishes from Deborah Lippmann. These are the 2 colors. Let's see how much they're worth. Okay, so these are worth $19 at Sephora. It's a very, like, it's almost the price of the box, only on 2 nail polishes. So I really like the color. Oh, and didn't say something. Once you create your subscription at the Boxycharm's website, they'll ask you like the colors you like to use and like what do you actually identify yourself with, so they can send you every month a little bit of things that are in your taste. So when they send me lip balms or nail polishes, they actually send the colors that they know I'm gonna like. So that's something that's very unique of them, and I really like it because, like, if I received a purple nail polish, I'll probably never use it, but then they know the colors that I like, so that's a very big plus. Okay, so now we have this Crown Pro I believe these are eyeshadows. Very nice. We have some glittery ones and some matte ones. I love the colors. So I've been on a vibe of wearing like simple eyes, just like a bronzed look. So I really like these colors and I think I'm gonna wear them a lot, to be honest. Let's see how much they're worth it. Okay, so these are actually very cheap. They're $9.99. So I'm hoping at least the quality is good, because that's impressively cheap. But I'll try it out and I'll let you guys know. I probably can use them on my next makeup video and let you guys know what I think about them. The only problem that I felt for the last 2 months in Boxycharm, and they used to send a paper with all the prices of all the things that were inside the box and what they were for, like what they were. For example, this one doesn't even say it's an eyeshadow palette, so I just had to assume it was, of course, for the looks of it. But they stopped sending the little paper with the things, and it kind of bothers me a lot because I don't actually know what the things are for. Like, some of them actually say, but some of them actually don't say. So it's kind of a bad thing, and we don't actually know the price of the things. Like, I would never have guessed this was only $9.99. Okay guys, so in the end, we ended up with a very higher value than the $25. So it's definitely worth it if you like this kind of things. The only thing that I don't like, I just told you, is that they don't send the paper anymore with the value of the things and etc. Really hope you enjoyed it, guys. If you like this type of videos, please let me know. I can do a Boxycharm open every month. Just let me know if you like it, and please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, guys, if you still haven't. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!